Hey, here we go again. Tiny little project. We're gonna do a planter based on the stump of an old tree. You wanna see? Check it out. This thing is gonna take a while, but I just wanted to see, show the progress. So, when I started doing this, I took a hammer drill and made carvings all around the tree, and I'm working my way inside the tree. Check it out. Made a tiny little mark with a pencil so I can pretty much see where it goes, and since the tree is not perfectly circle, I make an oval shape. So hopefully that will take care of that, and I'll carve my way into the tree. Let's go. Hey, welcome back. So, I'll continue to do the planter. This is like the third day in a row. It's cedar wood, check it out. I think it's cedar because it's taking so long. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking the little drill approach, making little holes. And I don't feel I'm making a whole lot of progress. But I'm doing something. It's gonna take a while. It was a struggle, but I did it. It took me a long time. Never gonna try it again. It's way harder than it looks, especially with this type of wood. Good luck to you if you're trying to do the same.
freedom.
That's too short.
And guys, can you use the green fuse to bottle glass?
You want to do that same thing on that one? On that one?
That one is very fine. It's good.
And deductibles and all that, you just call them until they respond. Well, deductibles can go, if you're unhappy with the service.
There is no service.
Right. If you're unhappy with the service, you can always cancel. If you need somebody to call, I can call.